Where are you?
I'm up in the slide. I'm coming. It's so amazing. That was so amazing. Every single time. I'm so happy about it.
Bonnie, come see this. How's this for a hidden Mickey? Right, if you get this one, you have to ask for a Annette's Mini Incredible Burger. Or if you get this one, you have to ask for Annette's Maxi Incredible Burger.
Alright, it's Daz. So, me, Baz and Gaz, we've come away on a sneaky little holiday, yeah? To this place. Villages Nature.
Village Nature.
You what?
It's Village Nature.
Alright, Villaggio Naturanio in Paris. So, yeah, you know what drill by now. It's gonna be birds, booze, and absolute lads. Let's go mental.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all.
Fancy a delicious crepe for breakfast? Come to the Disney Studios Catering Company cart. I mean, it's shut, but you can look at the pictures. Tell me about the cookie you've just got from the Hep Cat.
So it's got 2 types of sprinkles on it, and it's chocolate, and it's got 2 types of chocolate in it, so it's a bit extra.
Salutations, amis jouets. Quand vous verrez Rex, méfiez-vous, il est un peu trop enthousiaste.
Oh, I really want to knock on that. I wonder if I can knock on it. Do you think I can knock on it? I knocked on it! Well, this is exciting, look. Never turned left here before. It's like a whole new world. Look, they've got little selfie walls here and here. It's actually very nice up here. Hey, what's that? Is that my name? Hugh and Go? Oh no. Your old pal Mater. Didn't sound much like Mater. Oh no. Oh no. What is happening? Oh no. That's on fire. Oh no. There's lots of water. So we had a lovely snack there. I had to wait for the crock to be made, so I stood to the side of the queue for 5 or 10 minutes. But just as some crocks were coming out of the oven, another customer came up and immediately got hers. So I was like, well, that's not fair. So I said, oh, excuse me, I've been waiting for a crock. And she said, yes, in the queue. And I said, no, I've already paid for it. I'm just waiting for it. And she gave it to me with a withering look, like I was an absolute idiot. I've missed being annoyed by customer service in Paris. Thanks for your service, Captain. Can I ask you a question about your shield?
What?
If you get caught out in the kitchen, do you ever use it as a massive dinner plate?
I will never use for that.
Oh, okay.
I respect too much the
Because
shield.
it wipes clean.
Yes, always.
You have to be careful with those horns.
Do you argue over who's got the biggest helmet? Yeah.
Look at this. Would totally wear a pair of those in a UK men's 9. These sandals are quite cool as well. Good shoe game. What do we say?
To infinity and beyond!
Have you showed him Lotso?
I wish Ratatouille wasn't invented. I wish Ratatouille wasn't invented. I wish that I didn't say the wish about Ratatouille not existing. It's fine, actually. So a good game to play when you're in here is catch the spotlight, because all you gotta do is catch the spotlight before it disappears.
Right, can't believe this, yeah? Come all the way to Paris, yeah, to see Magical Castle. It's in a blooming box. Looks like blooming Minecraft or something. Unbelievable. It's a joke, innit, Baz? Yeah, it's a joke, yeah. Absolute joke.
He likes me because I'm dressed like Smee. Yes, Catty is in blue stripes, but
And this is the cat.
I can Photoshop it.
Okay. And that's the first.
This is my impression of every dad in a Disney park.
Yeah. Pretty solid. Yeah.
I'm an animatronic.
Bonnie's pretending to be an animatronic pirate for when the boats pass by.
Because I struggled to get a reservation.
I'm going to try this Caribbean rice pudding. Bonnie, can you put your gun here, please? Go on.
So this is my picture that I made of me, Lotso and Peter on the boat with the mermaid on the front.
That's what Kat looks like when she looks out of her bedroom window. all solid. I thought it'd all be fiberglass, but solid.
Tell you what though, yeah, there's some proper nice grass around here, look at that. Yeah, it's been fed well, it's weeded, it's been aerated, like scarified, proper lovely lawn that, nice dense, lush, good colour, really healthy, looks great, yeah. Buzz Lightyear, laser blast!
We're queuing up for Buzz Lightyear. Are you excited, Lucy?
Yeah.
You sure?
I really want to win.
Well, it's not about the winning. I mean, you're not going to, but...
I'm just tired of being a failure.
Oh, don't worry, I might have a broken gun. Anyway, my mask is upside down, so at least you've beaten me there. What score did you get, Bonnie? What about you, Lucy?
I got 62,300.
Oh, very good.
Bonjour, it's Daz again, yeah. I've just been down to Boulangerie, which is a French for bakery. Got me sent a pain au chocolate, which is a chocolate bread. Gaz ain't having out because he's hungover. But I've also got a chocolate bread for Baz and all, but this one's called a pain au chocolate bi-colour. Yeah, because of 2 colours, and I'm pretty sure he's bi-curious, so he should enjoy that.
Run! Right, we're just running a bit. Just running a bit late for the den building workshop.
We're gonna be like, that's what I can say.
Right, we've made it. We've found the hideout in the woods, but we've just discovered that the workshop isn't at 10, it's at 10:15. So rather than being 7 minutes late, we are 8 minutes early. How's that, Bonnie? Okay, we've got 4 down first. That was our basic structure. Now we're just firming it up with some other ones, some medium-sized ones, I guess.
Something could go on that there, look.
I've been putting decorations in.
You have. That's looking very good, very even. You're testing it. Yeah. Very good. We've been doing this about 20 minutes and I'm all ready to like just sell up and go and live in the woods. I am 100% treating this as if we're sleeping in it tonight, so I'm just plugging up some of these gaps.
Down the other one.
The lady just said that the other one was perfect. But I prefer ours.
That's how it's got character.
It's cuter. Just giving it a bit of a crown. There we go. Something for the weekend, sir? Beautiful. Bonnie's just furnishing it now, aren't you, Bonnie?
So this is the finishing touch.
Okay, so the lady did actually say bon and bon travail, so yeah, pretty happy with that result.
Yay!
Be it ever so humble, there's no place like home. Yo, what's up, MTV Cribs? This is my crib. Come on in. We got the kitchen right here. We've got a chair right here, and over here is the bedroom. This is where the magic happens, yo.
Right, today we came to Aqua Lagoon, right, and these are the slides you can do. So I did this green in here, that's like Daddy's slide. It's got like a massive bit there that you go around, whoa! Proper mental. Baz did like that peach one there, that's like a medium one. And Gaz did little baby one because he's a big baby.
You're the one that's baby, I'm not a baby.
Yeah, you are.
You're the one that started crying on Splash Pad when big bucket emptied.
Don't go thinking you're hard now, because I'll... Right, we're just in Vapiano's now, yeah? Gonna get some pizzas. Gaz is having margarita, because you're boring, aren't you, Gaz?
No, I'm
yeah, you are. Baz is having cannibale, which is like a meat feast, yeah? And I'm having this one. It's called a Montaginoni Onio, and it's got pommes de terre, lardons, oeofios, creme, mozzarella, and... Basil!
She wants to go again because she wants to beat me. At this point, I'm wondering whether I should just let her win. No.
Holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers.
Right, Kat and I have just done Hyperspace Mountain, and the others, oh, I've just finished on Autopia.
I remember to sing the song that is.
Did you sing the song?
Yep.
They see me rolling, they hating, trying to catch me riding Disney. Look at this. Look at all these succulents that they appear to have painted. I think they're real. Isn't that good?
Alright, it's Daz. Back with another food review, yeah? I went to this little place here in Discoveryland, yeah, but they didn't have any Wookiee cookies or Han Solos in carbonite, so what I've got instead is this. It's a Mickey cookie, and I'm gonna try it for you now. So, it's got chocolate in it, it's really crumbly and really nice. So, I think I'd give it 5 stars. You can probably see 5 stars somewhere down here now.
Right, I think I'm going bonkers because, well, we came a few years ago and I was like, is that new? I've never seen it before. And now, I'm sure I've never seen this X-Wing before. It's good though, isn't it?
It's very good. Yeah, because they've put the effort in to make it the right size.
What's his name?
C3PO.
Correct.
Waving at you.
Ah, it's you again. About that little incident you caused last time you were here. Don't worry. Just keep that our little secret.
Right, that was my favourite version of that we've ever done because it was all classic, none of this sequel or prequel nonsense. There was Hoth, the asteroid field with my favourite bit of music, and the Death Star 2. What do you think, Bonnie?
I wish it was a bit longer, and I think it's the easiest time I've ever been on.
Yeah.
I've not come off with a headache like I did last time.
You enjoyed it, didn't you? Look at this t-shirt, Peter and Bonnie. Chewbacca.
I don't think they're adult sizes.
We were just saying the other day, there should be a t-shirt that just says Rebel Spy. I think it'd be really good, and it would tie in with the ride.
Come closer. Here with me. The Force is strong with you. Together we could rule the galaxy.
Don't do it, Bonnie.
In time, your loyalty lies with the Jedi. Do not put your faith in the Jedi. They will not protect you.
Tell him he's wrong, Bonnie. We've come into Mickey's PhilharMagic, and I've found that if we don't sit right in the middle, my 3D glasses aren't effective enough, so we've sat smack bang in the middle. As I've said before, when we leave a table, I like to leave it tidy. You can come here for years and there's still places like this. This is the back of Hakuna Matata restaurant that I'm pretty sure I've never been to. Look, this is where you act surprised that we've been let into the fast pass queue because the children are dressed as Peter Pan. Well, and one of us is dressed as Wendy too. But yeah, you don't sort of march up and go, oh hi, we're dressed as the characters, we should go in, yeah? You just kind of loiter around the edge and then eventually someone will come up to you and say, hey, you can come in because you're dressed up. Just try and act surprised. Well, this isn't even fast pass, they've just let us straight onto the ride. Although I'm not sure how appropriate it is to sort of walk straight back onto the ride and say, yes, I believe we can go through this entrance now, please, thank you. Who are you? We are awaiting our antigen test so we can fly back, and Bonnie has been passing the time by drawing two characters who you may recognise. Well done, Bonnie.
Yeah, and I've just been following some pictures.
That's your reference, is it?
Yes.
Now the holiday starts. Now the holiday starts.
We're all negative. Negative.
Negative.
This is what happens whenever Black Panther turns up in any of the Marvel films. Doom, 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 doom. Brookie, do you want to hear my really awful Iron Man impression that people say sounds Irish? Let's try that again, but with a Mobius strip. The Art of Marvel Hotel. What do you think, Bonnie?
Amazing.
Is it?
It's the Iron Man toy again.
Ah, that's what you've got.
Yes, and Peter.
Both got one.
And who is that?
That's?
Don't tell me that's Black.
It is. It's Black Widow. Yeah.
My favourite character.
There she is.
Et quand j'arriverai, je mettrai sur ta tombe un bouquet de roses verts et de bruyères en fleurs.
That's an Alex Ross, if ever I've seen one. Don't know if it's new for this hotel or an old one. Let's have a look. 2017 cover, so yeah, it might be an old one, but still nice. Here's a couple of hotel exclusives though. So this is Disneyland Hotel Heritage Paper.
You've got Goofy there in the floral, and then you've got the Minnie and Mickey's there and there. Oh, there's a Pluto. I've just spotted a Pluto.
Yeah, very good. It is awful though, isn't it?
It's not the best.
Just seen people being turned away for not having an annual pass. And I don't like that feeling that we're kind of fancy, because we're not fancy, are we?
Oh, heck no.
Oh.
Just found joy
I'm as happy as a baby boy when he's playing with his choo-choo toy. Now I've met my sweet Lorraine.
Oh, look! Brand new cafe! Hang on. Oh, it's fake! I don't think they should do that. There are food carts absolutely everywhere in this place, but none of them are open. And on the flip side, if you want a bite to eat in the evening or late afternoon, you're going to find Cowboy Cookout is shut, Colonel Hathis is shut, Café de la Brousse is shut, Hakuna Matata is shut. So if you want a bite after, say, 5 o'clock, sometimes even 4 o'clock, you're really going to struggle.
Some of these statues are so lifelike.
What don't you like?
I don't like seeing your bites.
My bites? My midge bites?
Yes.
Why are they disgusting?
It's not for me.
Look at this fountain. Absolutely beautiful.
Oh.
Why is them bugs called?
Crickets.
Ugh. I think they're so black, I can't even see them.
Oh, yes. 2.
Two.
5 or fewer to win.
Yeah, I've been winning all the way through, and then I just had a mare on this labyrinth last hole, and I got it in 12. So Lucy has to get it in 5 or fewer to win.
1. 5. Nah. 6. 7.
Okay, I've won.
That's it, gently around here. Yeah, you've got the hang of this now, Bonnie. Just straighten up, don't you? Just turn and straighten. Yeah, very similar. Yeah. They see me rolling.
This is the worst name for a TV series I've ever seen. High School Musical, the series. Just walking past Hyperspace Mountain just as they were opening it up because it's been closed for a while. So it's straight on here, so yeah, it'd be rude not to. Yeah! Do the strut! The just open queue strut! Not sure where to go, think it's down here, yeah! So that broke down. We did one loop-de-loop and then it just stopped. All the lights came on, sat there unable to move for 10 minutes. And then, yeah, eventually got walked off. They were offering fast passes to get back on, but I think I've seen enough of that ride for today, thank you. Right, back in Frontierland now. When I came off Hyperspace Mountain and I saw Lucy, she gave me a look like she definitely thought I died on that ride. Bonjour! Gosh, Minnie, you look swell! Gosh!
Bonjour, Minnie.
Goodbye!
Hi.
Yee-haw! Toilet time! Woo-hee! Hey! We're on a mission now to get some mango whips from Café de la Brousse. Don't bring me down! Boss! The thing about the mango whip is, it's not on this first menu here, so you wouldn't know they've got it. It's on the one there. but not there. I almost don't want to tell anybody, just in case they run out when I want one, but go on, I'll tell you. It is on that menu. Okay, so it's massive, it's mangoey, and it's a bit custardy actually. I guess that's the vanilla, but it's the mango whip or the frappe mong, and I give it 5 stars. Right, I can't believe I'm going to say this, but that's way too much for €5. And this is one of the rare occasions where I'd actually advise them to give you less for the money.
It's too good, isn't it?
I'm still going with this. I feel sick.
But it's a good sick.
Like, yeah, there's a word for that. Crapulous. It's an old English word. Crapulous.
It is. Yeah,
Do you want some mango whip?
No.
looks like a wrestler.
Have you been finished? Has it defeated you?
Yeah, I feel sick.
Own fault, babes.
Farewell, old friend. Farewell. Yeah. It's all real. Yeah, it's all real. It's all real stuff.
Right, this is how you say goodbye in different languages. Got arrivederci there. Adios. This one's auf Wiedersehen. Fuck!
Right, so we managed to get to France. Our NHS vaccination records were up to date. That was good. Reservations are all fine. Part tickets fine. We finally got the passenger locator reference numbers from Oncologica. Took ages to get them from them because they're rubbish. We did that. We got negative COVID tests in Disney Village. We filled out the passenger locator form yesterday night. Today we've got all our forms. We've been to the airport. We've got everything through. So now it feels like we can finally enjoy our holiday, but it's now over.